Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss second chapter from our supplementary book Moments. Chapter name is The Adventure of Toto and this story is written by Ruskin Bond. First of all we will discuss about the author who is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an award-winning Indian author of British descent. Much renowned means famous, much renowned for his role in promoting children literature in India. A prolific writer, he has written over 500 short stories, essays, and novels. His popular novel, The Blue Umbrella, was made into a Hindi film. The film was awarded the National Film Award for Best Children Film in 2007. He is also the author of more than 50 books for children and 2 volumes of autobiography. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2004. Now come to the introduction of this lesson. So Toto, here is a little monkey and this is a humorous and adventurous story of a naughty monkey named Toto. The writer's grandfather bought the monkey from a Tonga driver. The pranks played by Toto have been narrated in an interesting way and made the story a must read for us. Let's discuss the theme of this story. The story deals with the outcome of the interaction between humans and animals. It shows that not all animals can adapt themselves to the human lifestyle. It requires a great deal of patience to train animals to acquire non-destructive behaviors. So now we will discuss the characters in the story. So there are mainly two characters in this story. One is Toto, the monkey, and other is grandfather. So here grandfather is the narrator's grandfather. First of all, we will discuss about Toto. Toto was a baby monkey who was bought from Tonga driver by narrator's grandfather. He was pretty to look at. He had bright eye that sparkled with mischief beneath the deep set of eyebrows. He is pearly white. Pearly means like a pearl. His pearly white teeth frightened the Anglo-Indian ladies when he smiled. His hand looked dried up as though they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Pickled means to make something dry. He was quick with his fingers, lifted things in wicked manner. Wicked means not in a very good manner or not in very arranged manner. His tails added to his beauty and acted as a third hand. So his tail acted as the third hand for him. He was playful but restless. To keep Toto's presence as secret from grandmother, as she was not very pleasant with grandfather's nature or the animals, so that's why grandfather and the narrator decided to keep this secret from the grandmother. He was put in a little closet. Closet means you can say almirah, a small type of wardrobe, cupboard, and was tied securely. A few hours later, when the narrator and grandfather returned, they found that the wall, which has been covered with some ornamental paper, ornamental means decorative, was now uncovered. He was destructive to the peg in the wall, had been raked from its socket. Raked means destructed. He had torn the narrator a school blazer. He was a total misfit for the other animals. Misfit means not appropriate. He was a keen observer. He imitated the narrator's manner of taking a bath. So once what happened? He boiled himself in hot water. He was curious by nature and many times landed in trouble because of this. He caused a lot of damage by destroying things. Finally, he was sent away and sold back to the same Tonga driver. Now, our next character is grandfather. So, now we will discuss about grandfather. So, grandfather was an animal lover. He has his own private zoo. He did not mind spending money in order to get animals and birds. He was sensitive towards the feeling of his wife, that is grandmother. Toto's present was kept a secret till she was in good mood. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. When he had Nana, the family donkey, so here there was a family donkey whose name was Nana, as a companion. He did not mind Toto's mischief. So grandfather did not mind Toto's mischiefs. He was in fact very pleasant with that. Instead, he found him to be quite clever. Grandfather was witty and sarcastic. His experience with the ticket collector and the argument he gave to the prove himself was quite amusing. He took a wise decision by selling back Toto as it has become impossible to keep such a mischievous pet. So thank you. In next video, we will be discussing the detail of this story.